day, ma'am. Welcome. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
May I take your order, please?
I ordered 3 sandwich.
Ma'am, I will repeat your order. 3 sandwich. Alright. Good day. Here's your order.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am?
Excuse me, but I don't appreciate you touching my food like that. Where I come from, it's considered is disrespectful to touch someone else's food in your hands. Especially when you're saving it, please be more careful next time.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not mean any disrespect. It was just a mistake. I did not realize it would be an issue. Please let me know if you want a new plate.
Hey, it's okay. The waiter didn't mean anything by it. I think it's just a misunderstanding. Let's try to be patient, okay? Maybe it's not something they're familiar into it.
Yes, it's just a mistake. I'm sure they don't mean to offend you.
I understand it. It was a mistake, but it's important to understand that touching food is a personal.
Good evening, Mom. I'm the manager here. I see there's been a bit of misunderstanding. I want to sincerely apologize for the discomfort caused by the incident.
I just want to make sure that it doesn't happen again.
I understand and respect that, Mom. I truly appreciate your understanding and I will be happy to offer you a complimentary drink or dessert to make up for the inconvenience.
I'm very sorry for the mistake. I did not mean any harm. I'll be more mindful next time.
Thank you for your apology and I appreciate that you're taking it seriously.
Absolutely, Ma'am. Well, make sure our team is more culturally aware. Please don't hesitate to let us know if you need anything else during your meal. We want to make sure your experience as comfortable and enjoyable as possible.